Hello everyone! How's your day guys? How are you all? Kumusta ang lahat? Kumusta ang Sunday nyo guys? So ayun, ito lang tayo guys. Ito lang tayo today sa bahay. Ayun, mainit talaga ang panahon natin kanina. Ayun, dito lang muna ako guys. Naghintay-hintay. Excuse me. So, nabusog na ako guys. Tapos lang natin magmerienda. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and blessed day to all and everyone. Keep safe everyone. See you next guys. Thank you for watching. Hala, ayun si Pikpik ko. Busog ka naman, Tik. Tapos ka naman nagkain. Ayun. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much.